Okay, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you the best way on how to remove PayJoy from any Android device. So here, as you can see, we're on Android device and I'm gonna exactly show you how you can remove PayJoy. So PayJoy is an built-in app for some Android devices, and if you have it and you want to remove it, I'll show you the way. So pretty much what you need to do is just simply go to your settings like this. Just gotta find settings and open it up. Once you open up settings, what you need to do is just simply find apps or your storage settings, whatever it is. So let me just go to storage real quick. It's gonna be different for every phone, but you just gotta go to storage and go to apps. And right over here, you gotta find the app. So let's say, for example, this app right over here, if you go to the app, you'll see the option of uninstall. So for the same PayJoy, you just gotta go ahead and open up the app like this, and you just gotta press uninstall, and it's just gonna uninstall after that. Now, if you can't remove it like this, and it's in your phone built in, what you can do is just go to your website, and on the web browser, you just gotta type in PayJoy customer service and go to contact us area, and right here you just gotta put in your full name, email, and everything you need to submit. After that, they'll give you customer charter, and you can just directly reach out to any customer service that's available in your country. But before that, you just gotta fill in your contact and give them the reason that you want to delete the app and everything. But if you still can do this, you can just go to customer charter and report this problem, and they'll help you further. So yeah, this is it. I hope this tutorial actually helps you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.